Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, April 9th, 2024. We're going to be doing our daily chart review, then our 2000 tick chart. What a strong rally for today. Called it a little bit of commentary in the Discord, so if you're not a part of that, go ahead and check it out. Check out my website below and gain access to that. Other than that, our flag strategy had a couple good trades today as well. I'll go over that in today's video just for a little hint for anyone who has subscribed recently. Thank you, and I'll show you guys those trades. Other than that, for the daily chart, they are not letting this thing sell off. In the morning session, we had it come down, and then last about hour, 40 minutes, huge rally all the way back up, recover everything we tried to sell off to. We're holding. I'm expecting maybe new highs. I don't see it going below this level anymore at 51.82. If it does, maybe very temporarily, but I'm pretty sure this thing's still bullish, so I'm bullish with it. Other than that, let's go over to our flag strategy. I'm going to show you a couple trades, and then we'll do our 2000 tick chart. And if you don't want to look at the flag strategy and those trades that happened today, just skip the video right to the 2000 tick chart. Over here at the 1 minute time frame for our flag strategy with the indicator. If you're interested, go ahead and check out my website for that. It's going to be for the private Discord users. As you can see here, nice strong rally sell-off here. Comes back. We don't get a very clean bear flag by any means. You know, when we're looking for this, we really want to see a nice upward move to a measured move and sell off here. What we kind of get here is just a downward slope with very choppy noise. So real no setups in here. And I just want to explain something. You know, the setup is going to be discretionary in a way. And what you're really looking for, again, is just a really nice bear flag or bull flag. You're not going to be looking for the first 1 minute candle to break a new low here, even though it works for 1 hour. If you trail it correctly, then, yeah. But like you can see as a trader, it's your job to identify congestion. It's your job to identify the setups. And I just want to make that super clear in the beginning. So as we get this nice sell-off here after market open, we just chop around sideways here for a bit. And then we get this huge nice sell-off. And then we get our beautiful, like I was just talking about, move down, vertical move up. First 1 minute candle to make a new low. Right there. This one gets you about 4R depending on how you do it, which is awesome. And then it comes down. You get this also nice measured move past a little bit there, which is just great to see. And then your measured move is done. And even if you were to do it again in context space wise, you really aren't looking for another bear flag here. But if you did sell short there, you could have got a nice quick scalp. Nonetheless, you get a nice bullish move back up after you get major triple test basically right here. Comes up, first 1 minute candle to make a new high right there. Get 2R, 3R, depending on how you trail it. So as you can see, over the course of a few days, I mean, there's 2 trades right there. You're done before 11 o'clock. Those are the ones you should be looking for. And look for just really high quality setups with a flag pattern. And don't try to force it. They'll come. Alrighty, let's go to the 2000 tick chart. Okay, over here at the 2000 tick chart, what a day. As you can see, there's huge, strong rally sell-off in the morning, followed by a recovery. So let's get into this. Pre-market, not too shabby. You get a nice move up. You get a break, you get a double bottom here, or you can maybe argue for a triple test, depending how you see it. But the main thing is you get a first entry, pulls back, second entry long, right at the key entry point. Beautiful trade right there. You get some congestion across the board. You get a move up. So this would be a failed breakout of this congestion here. This is kind of a more advanced setup, but once you see this bar turn up, and it turns down, enter 1 tick below. You're looking for a move at least back down to the congestion, which is a good scalp, and you get more than that. It comes down, goes up. You get basically a lower high, but it's too far away, so you can't really take anything here. Then you get a first entry, pulled back, second entry, lower high. Not a great signal bar in my opinion, but honestly not too bad either. Aggressive setup, low risk. high aggressive trade. You know, you can look at it like that. Then you get a first entry, pulls back, second entry short. It is congested across the board here. You can clearly see that. Maybe try to enter with a limit order. Try to get your stop somewhere up here with a limit order. But a stop order for 4 ticks is completely reasonable here, or 6 ticks because of how congested it is. Another aggressive trade there. Then it just chopped sideways. Then I saw a 1, 2, 3, 4, or you could argue a 1, 2, 3 triple test depending on how you look at it. Nice red signal bar closing on its low. Again, inside bar. I definitely enter with this with a limit order to make sure my stop is up here. Maybe only a 6 tick stop, especially with how congested this is. Usually your limit orders can get you pretty deep into the what I call safe zone with your stop only being 6 ticks. We sell all the way off here. We go up. Nice measured two-legged pullback, as you can see right here, second entry short. If you understand context and you're reading this, you clearly see a move down, break, 2 legs to a new high, second entry short right there at that 2 key entry points. Beautiful second entry short. I wish the signal bar was better, but context-wise, it's still good. Sells off here, little congestion on the side. Sells off again. You get probably another measured move. Let me double check. Boom, another measured move just like that. These are where my 2 trades came in. And let's go over those. So, I was looking at this. I saw this measured move, and I was counting. I'm like, okay, first entry, second entry long. Not a good signal bar or nothing. I thought this bar here, this little black arrow that I have, was a higher low. I was zoomed out like this, and I really wasn't paying attention too much, I'll be honest with you. And so I just enter. I enter and I thought it was a higher low. I get my scalp. I even get a little bit of a runner. So full lucky trade there, I'll admit. It happens. Just wasn't paying attention. Now you could argue maybe on a lower time frame this is a higher low. But anyways, yeah, I got a lucky trade there. Then another trade came in which was a little more quality, I should say. As I see this chopping around here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I also see first entry, second entry long. I enter with a limit order, making sure my stop is at 2 points. This is a very aggressive trade. I see the support here. I'm basically calling a bottom, which I did. And then I trailed my stop even 1 tick below that bar right there, that red one. And sure enough, get my 2 points, get a little bit of a runner here. I just trailed it under each new green bar. I trail it under each new green bar, and this thing just takes off. I felt like an idiot after not leaving it at break even, but I literally called the candle bottom of the day. Never happened. None of this is going to run up, so it is what it is. 2 winning trades on the day with some good runners. I'll take that. No big deal to me. And then I see this move come all the way up. You just get a first entry, resets the count, another first entry. This one's tempting, but I think it's too aggressive, and maybe if it was lower, you're just going right into the resistance, and you can't take that. Then I missed this one. I would have taken this one. I saw a first entry, pulls back, second entry long, right at key entry point. Makes another double bottom here, right out the 21 EMA, holding nicely. It's a good trade right there. Runs up. You're going to move down, first entry, pulls back, bullish bar. I actually like this failed second entry short a lot. First entry, pulls back, second entry short. All the bulls stops are definitely under here. They might even trail it 1 tick below. It tries to go up twice. On the failure, 1 tick below that, that's a failure right there, and slams down. And get to move back down to the trend line. I like that failed second entry failed second entry long right there. But nonetheless, this is still a very bullish channel, so I go with it. And I'm just watching this thing. You get a first entry, you get a second entry there, but not a good enough signal bar, and I think it's a little too congested across the board there. Nonetheless, you get a move up, comes down, you get a first entry, pulls back. You do get a second entry long right there, but the main thing is you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basically 7 bars supporting this. Indication right here with a small, nice, good signal bar at a double bottom. 1 tick above that bar. At least plenty of room to scalp up to the top here. And you get 2 points and or more, depending on how you trail it and how you get out. Then this thing kind of goes up, double tops, sells off. I don't see anything in here. I think for the rest of it, it just starts getting really noisy. Yeah, I just don't see anything. You get a lower high here, but you can't trade that. It's too much noise. This one's tempting right here, but by the count, you get a first entry, second entry, third entry, fourth entry. I don't know. I don't think you can take that one either. You do get a break a new high. Again, it's tempting. If you took it, you know, I don't blame you. And then I just see all this as noise. I just don't see anything else in here. Then I see this move run all the way up. And make sure you're looking with me. Ready? First count. First entry pulls back. Second entry short. When you're taking these, I wanted to take this, but I've seen too many times with such a strong bullish move, even by a nice count on a second entry, you could just get stopped out real quick. You could just turn down, sell, and keep going back up. So calling top's pretty hard. I was tempted by that one, but I just couldn't take it. Then I saw this one, which was pretty decent. It's just, too far. It's already at almost at the end of the day. But I still like this one. You get a double matching bar high. You get a first entry, pulls back. Second entry short. That's a nice trade right there. I like that one, actually. Then just congestion across the board and just rallies up. And I don't see any really way to get in here. And we finish like that. That's how I saw the market for today. Crazy strong rally. They're not letting this thing sell off. So bullish for tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this chart review. And I will see you guys tomorrow.